Welcome to Madeira, Portugal. Today, we're going to explore the charming city of Funchal, stretching along the picturesque harbor. Funchal is the capital and largest city of Madeira Island. Funchal is known for its vibrant city center, filled with colorful buildings, historic landmarks, and delicious local cuisine. But let's not forget about the famous pastel de nata. This sweet pastry is a must-try when in Funchal. Now, let's hop on a stage and cruise to visit the picturesque village of Monte. As we make our way down the hill, we'll pass by beautiful landscapes, ancient olive trees, and lush greenery. On the way, we'll stop for a quick swim in the crystal clear waters of the Barra de Lago and natural pool. Once we reach the village of Monte, we'll take you on a 45-minute guided walking tour through this charming village. You will get to explore the colorful houses, visit the famous Monte Palace, and enjoy the stunning views of the city and the ocean from the hilltop. Finally, we'll end our cruise with a delicious traditional Madeira wine tasting session at a local vineyard. Get ready to savor the sweet and rich flavors of this iconic Portuguese wine. So, are you ready to experience the magic of Funchal, Portugal? Join us on this unforgettable steak and cruise adventure.